took me less than an hour to make over $240 using ChatGPT for free. You see, ChatGPT is this free online software that has 200 million monthly active.
That is absolutely right. We use ChatGPT in our business every single day, as well as other AI applications. For example, we used ChatGPT to analyze this video and learned everything about the business model. We have done the SWOT analysis. We know the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of this business. We wrote a unique article, generated images for the article, and now we are making a video about it. However, we summarized the whole thing. The 6-step business model they are sharing here is called Create, where C stands for create an account on ChatGPT. Unfortunately, step number 3 is absolutely useless and waste of time. I'm going to share in a moment. And step number 6 is extremely expensive that you absolutely don't need. In fact, our students get this completely free. But money is in this step. So what is this about? So the trick here is generate valuable information using AI. Put it into Google Doc and transform the Google Doc into PDF ebook. Wait guys, money is here. Go to Google and search for Audible affiliate. In this page you will learn if anyone starts a free trial digital membership using your link, you will earn a free $5 commission. 50 people or free signups per day will make you easy $250 in passive Audible commission just because somebody created free accounts through your link. Isn't this amazing? Now you're going to put Audible affiliate link into the footers of your PDF. And because your PDF contains valuable information, people will love it, save it, and eventually some people will click the links and through your link, they will sign up to Audible and you make money. Now this is a great idea, except the question is, where do you get traffic from? Well, Nick says you can get a lot of traffic from places like Pinterest.
Affiliate links, and that platform actually has 800 million visitors per month, and the platform in question is Pinterest.com.
That's a lot of traffic. And all you need to do is to post simple images, link your PDF giveaway link with those images. When people click, you will get traffic to your affiliate link. And when they sign up to Audible, you make money. Super simple. Now this looks like simple, but it is not actually that simple. It takes a lot of work and consistent work, and especially the commission is so low that you will not get 50 signups every day and you will not make $250 every day. And that's why we don't do this. We use AI to make low ticket, recurring, and high ticket sales revenue and affiliate commissions. And I recently launched a new program where everything is 99% done for you. To learn more, comment AWA and I will shoot you the link to the free training.